I am Kachaekbung Roselyne and my friend.
Roselyne representing Idol School Kachaekbung.
Title of our poem is
Zeliangrong, Rise in Fire.
O Zeliangrong, storm-crowned hills, land where ancient thunder thrills, rock and river, root and tree, gird a proud identity. When trials rise and tempests roar, when thou beats heard upon a door, we shall not bow, we shall not fear. The blood of heroes surges here. Zeliangrong rose, a blazing light, a torch of truth in tyrant's night. They bound his hands, they took his breath, but could not change his dream in death. His vision lives, his spirit cries, it walks with us, it never dies.
Rani guided you, the Iron Lady of the hills, iron will that climbs up higher. Through prison walls, through years of pain, she broke the fear, she snapped the chain. Her courage roared across the lane, unbroken heart, unyielding stain. O youth of Zeliangrong, awake! The sacred path is ours to take. Rise as one, stand as one. Their unfinished work is not yet done. Let discipline be sword and shield. Let unity our battlefield. Not blind in rage, but fierce in mind, with purpose clear and hearts aligned. Roots deep set in ancestral ground, let freedom's mighty cry resound. Rise in fire, rise and stand, one heart, one hope, one promised land. Till destiny and courage meet, we march in high pulse and high-paced feet.
Zeliangrong!
Ringtelo! Zeliangrong! Ringtelo!
Zeliangrong!
Ringtelo!
Zeliangrong!
Ringtelo!
Tunggu thêm anh Hoàng Nhân Tài.
Thank you.